for check. So this one is Pluto. So the Pluto is totally icy planet, and because it is 50 billion kilometer far away from sun, it is revolving now. So this is revolving around the sun more far away, like 50 billion kilometer far away from sun, and the climate is still it's same like Earth one at the actual Earth, but this climate will change. But how to check this thing? We need to increase the time frame. Yeah, yeah, correct. So it's now going to minus, means it now the Earth is freezing. Let's check what happened to Antarctica. Okay, it's Antarctica is, we know that the icy areas of the India is in the Himalayas, in the at the mountains areas. So where we basically we find ice. But now look the condition of India. Entire India is covered with ice. So this is what happen if you move Earth in a orbit of Pluto. This one, let's move the Earth time frame more faster. Let's go for, and let's check what happened to the oceans. So now the time frame is year per second. So now the time is frame is year per second. So entire Earth is now freezed. So friends, you can check here in your screen. Entire Earth is converted into an icy object. Welcome in PRoy Innovative Tech Stream. So friends, this is my new page which is related to analysis, experiments, simulations, gameplay and lots of more. In this portal, in this page, you can learn or you can check various types of stuffs like programming. If I say programming, then example, how to call API, how to consume JSON, how to connect with the DBs, various types of DBs. So codings and projects related, all these stuffs I will include in this portal. Video I will upload in this portal and YouTube. So friends, and in other areas like simulations, analysis and experiments, that we can do with the various types of tools. We will use some simulation tools, we will use gameplay, and with the use of those simulation tools we will do some great experiments analysis. In a single video I will demonstrate all these things. So lots of enjoyments are there. You can learn and you can enjoy. Moving to our first experiment in this page and in this new portal, the topic which today I was thinking about that topic, like what if happen if in the solar system if we replace our Earth with the planet Pluto. So most of you already know that Pluto is very far away from our sun, and it's almost 50 billions of times kilometer billions kilometer from sun, and it's totally icy planet, and there is no any life in Pluto. So what if our Earth, which is a habitable planet, habitable means where the life exists, where there is not the planet which is not so far from sun and not so close from sun, so that zone is called habitable zone, and Earth is in the habitable zone. So Earth consists life. So friend, what happen if we move our planet Earth from this habitable zone to Pluto's orbit? That we will do with the use of some simulation tool, and let's check. So once again, this is PRoy Innovative Tech Streams, and welcome in my demonstration. Entire solar system is now visible in the simulation. So as we see, like sun is in the center of the solar system, and the orbits are clearly visible, and all the planets are revolving around it. You can not only planets, you can also see like these are the I guess these are the maters and small planets, others planets, dwarf planets also it's orbiting. So in this visualization, you can see all the orbits of entire solar system, and which is rotating the big star sun. So now moving to our today's experiment and topic, which is what if we replace our Earth with Pluto's orbit. Earth orbit with Pluto's orbit. So to execute this experiment, what we will do? First, let's check where the Earth is right now in the solar system. This one is our the big star and sun, and where is Earth? Yeah, this one is Earth. Let's this rotating is actually a bit fast, so we can slow down this rotation. This one you can check here, the time, the year it is showing in the simulation is 2020 12, and the hour is rapidly increasing, means 2.17 day per second. So we can reduce this time by clicking this. Now it is 10 hour per second, so we can reduce a little bit more. Now okay, now it's yeah, now it's perfect. So the time now it is 25 second per second, means it's now in the second actually. So and in the screen all the orbits are as you can see, it is like it is showing like it's stopped, but it is not stopped because I reduced the time actually. I decreased the time frame, so it is looking like all these are stuck at one place, but it is not actually. So let's move to Earth. Sorry, this already we checked. This one is sun. So first click on this Earth and then closely we can see. Okay, so Earth is actually revolving a little bit more fast. I can check. Yeah. So now it is minute per second. So minute per second, as you see, like this, the Earth is rotating right now. These are the climates. Entire climate is visible here. Okay, and the orbit is in the habitable zone. So let's see. Let's open the habitable zone also. We can check also habitable zones. Let's on the view part. Where is Earth revolving? Okay, so yeah, now the habitable zone is clearly visible. Let's zoom out. So zoom out. When I zoom out, actually I can see the habitable, totally the habitable zone here. So Earth is revolving around the habitable zone, and this is the red part is totally actually where the objects are more hotter, because it is more closer to sun. So it's the orbit and the object which is revolving around the sun, near the sun, are more hot. Actually no life consists there. So we have since Venus is also in the habitable zone, we can see here, and Earth is also, but Earth consumes lives here because the Earth condition is much better, not so far from sun, not so close from sun, so it's a habitable zone. Now moving to our experiment right now, what if I move this Earth from this green area, which is a habitable zone, to Pluto's orbit? Where is Pluto's orbit? We can check. Where is Pluto? Yeah, so see, where is Earth and where is Pluto? Let's move to Pluto here. So this one is the entire the yellow, the orange mark, sorry. So this one is Pluto's orbit, Pluto revolving around the sun. So let's move to Pluto. Okay, so we almost near. Because the light is not totally actually not totally, because the light is not totally reach here Pluto, so it's looking like dark, but we have options to create light also for check. So this one is Pluto. So the Pluto is totally icy planet, and because it is 50 billion kilometer far away from Sun, it is revolving. Now we can replace Pluto. Now we can replace Pluto with the use of the sandbox tool simulation, and we can check. Now let's do it. First click on the Pluto. Let's we have option or not. Let's check. Okay, so the surface temperature of Pluto is -232 degrees Celsius, and speed is 5.44 kilometer per second. It is revolving. And let's replace with object. So we can replace various objects, where we can replace even stars also, but today we will check what if we replace our mother Earth with the Pluto's orbit. So we will we can do like we just replace Pluto with Earth. We will click on this and we can replace. Now let's see. Okay, voila. Now yeah, yes, we already succeed here. Pluto's orbit is totally replaced with Earth's orbit, and it is clearly visible here. Now let's because the light is very dim here, because lights traveling in this orbit is very low, so it is looking dark. Entire planet, I guess it's looking dark. Yeah, but right now actually it is just right now I replace it, so the climate of the Earth is the water and other ice is in total. It will take time to change the climate actually. So this we need to so in this case what we need to do, we will increase the time frame. So right now it's the year which is showing in the simulation is 2021, and rapidly hour is increasing. So what we will do, we will increase the time frame, and then we will check what happened to Earth's climate. Okay, so right now the climate is totally same with the Earth, which is in the habitable zone. So let's give a name to this this Earth. I can give name that it is Earth 2, and the one which is revolving around the solar system, that Earth is in the habitable zone, still in the habitable zone. I only replace Pluto with Earth, second Earth. So as you can see here, so one Earth is already revolving around here. Okay, so this Earth is already in the habitable zone, and our second Earth, which I replace with Pluto, that is far away from Sun, where it is this one. Sorry, that I click on the, I guess Neptune, not Neptune. This Earth. So this is revolving around the Sun, more far away, like 50 billion kilometers far away from the Sun, and the climate is still it's same like Earth 1 at the actual Earth, but this climate will change. But how to check this thing? We need to increase the time frame. So let's do it. Now the year is 2021. Let's do it. Now 2 hours per second. It is 2 hours per second. Now change it. 15 hours per second. Earth is revolving, and the climate, I guess it's changing. Let's check the surface temperature of the Earth right now. Yeah friends, so see here, surface temperature is rapidly decreasing. 6.63, it's decreasing because climate is changing. It will take time. Let's move the time more faster. Okay friends, so now the time is 4 days per second. So 4 days per second, I have just moved the time frame, and the temperature is rapidly decreasing. 2.2, 2, it will now go to minus, I guess. Yeah, correct. So it's now going to minus, means now the earth is freezing. Let's check what happened to Antarctica. Okay, it's Antarctica is still there, so still the oceans are clearly visible blue here, but the other part, see here, the other the land part is totally freezed here. You can see. Let's slow down the time frame. Okay, so I just slow down the time frame. See here, entire South America, it's totally freezed. South Africa is freezed. India totally is freezed. So with this climate, I guess no life will possible here. Let's closely. I can see. Let's check the Earth climate more closely. Let's visit the Earth here. Let's move it to the frame here. Okay, so now the Earth is in the frame. Let's check this one. Yeah, let's slow down the orbit. Okay, so friends, this is the condition of the Earth too. After, means I guess 1 to 2 years, 2020 actually, that time I checked. Now it's the year is 2022. Time is time is 1 hour per second, and Earth is revolving. But the condition of Earth, you can check the entire area. If I go to my country India, so let's check. So we know that the icy areas of the India is in the Himalayas, in the at the mountains areas. So where we basically we find ice. But now look the condition of India. Entire India is covered with ice. So this is what happened if you move Earth in a orbit of Pluto. So nothing is left here actually. Non single part of the land is green. It is showing. It's all the land is actually showing white. So it means it's covered with ice. Life is not possible here, I guess. Yeah, in the land it is not possible, but I guess in the ocean, because it will also take time to freeze. I guess in the next 1,000 years it will freeze actually, this ocean. Lots of water. So in the deep ocean, maybe at the deep ocean, maybe some part of the life is remain, but that will also freeze after 10 years. So to check this one, let's move the Earth time frame more faster. Let's go for, and let's check what happened to the oceans. So now the time frame is year per second. So now the time frame is year per second. So entire Earth is now freezed. So friends, you can check here in your screen. Entire Earth is converted into an icy object. So it is happening when 2066 years per second. I have done the time frame. So it's 2076, 78. The years are increasing in the seconds here. So let's slow down the Earth orbit. Okay friends, so there is no ocean here. Entire only the lines are visible of the countries. Actually some part is visible here, but entire Earth, there is no any climate. Atmosphere also, it is no air, not visible. Atmosphere is not visible, and entire climate is converted, and this Earth is totally a icy object right now. So in this case, in the year 2096, now a single I guess life is possible here, and Earth is now converted into a totally icy object. So this is what this imagination. This is only imagination. We can do with the simulation. So this is my presentation for the day, and we have done it. We have converted. What we have done today is we moved the Earth. We replaced the Pluto with the Earth, and we check the what happened to the earth climates. So isn't very interesting? If you like this video, then follow my page, follow my Facebook page, and follow my YouTube channel also, PRoy Innovative Tech Stream, because this type of video, more simulation I will upload day by day, and other experiments I will also do, analysis I will also do with various tools in the net. So thanks for watching this video, and once again you are watching PRoy Innovative Tech Streams, and welcome in my channel. Thanks, take care.